Hi guys, my name is Zakira and today I'm going to show you how to use banana to treat your puffy eyes and achieve glowing and youthful looking skin. So let's get into it. Banana contains many powerful nutrients like potassium, vitamin A, B, C, E, amino acids, etc. When eating bananas, we generally discard the peels. However, next time you might want to reconsider that, as it can be used under the eyes to cool and calm the eyes, reducing puffiness and hydrating the delicate area. I'm going to tear the peel into two and place it under the eyes like so. And wait for 10 minutes. You can also gently rub the area with the peel like that. Now if you're liking the video so far, why don't you go ahead and press the big thumbs up button and like the video and subscribe to my channel, and that would mean the world to me. Now moving on to the face, I'm going to take half of a banana and one peel, and I'm going to pop that in the mixer and eat the rest of it, as one medium-sized banana provides approximately 13% of your daily manganese needs. And next we are going to add some banana peels into the mixer, and we are also going to add some whole milk, about 2 tablespoons of whole milk, and grind everything together till it forms a silky smooth paste. And now transferring it into a small bowl, and I'm going to apply it all over my face using a brush. So it's been 10 minutes for the eye patches, so I'll go ahead and remove them and apply the paste on the under eye area as well. You can apply multiple layers of the mask. Once one layer dries out, you can apply one more layer like I am applying it here. And now waiting for 10 minutes before removing it off. Firstly, I'll remove it using a facial tissue paper. This will also gently exfoliate the skin. And then washing the face with plain water and patting it dry, and you can literally see the difference in my skin. It looks and feels so much more firmer and nourished. Absolutely love the results. Now following it up with your regular moisturizer, I'm using this one from Simple. It's a very lightweight and super hydrating moisturizer, good for sensitive and oily skin people. So that was it for today. I hope you guys liked the video, and if you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and like the video and subscribe to my channel. That would mean the world to me. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.